Our trip begins with unideal weather, as we woke up to torrential rain. Poor Dan had also put his back out the day before, so he was in a fair bit of pain packing the car. Despite the rough start, we put our faith in the good-looking weather forecast and went ahead with the trip. And so, after packing camping gear, camera equipment, fishing rods, surfboards, and 2 kids into the car, we were just hoping and praying that the forecast was right and we'd soon drive into some sunshine. And just like that, we watched in disbelief as we boarded the barge and the clouds parted to bring on 4 days of perfect Aussie camping weather. We hope you enjoy the next few days as much as we did. The barista. What you doing, babe? Nothing. Look at my coffee. Even better. Alright, plan is we're going to drive down the beach and try and find some waves to surf or fish or something. So it's a beautiful day out there. We just hope the wind doesn't come up, but hopefully we score. Alright, so no one out and some really fun looking waves. So gonna take this. Oh my gosh, looks so good. Hopefully we get some waves. And then I might send the drone up after, but I'm too excited to surf for now, so take the GoPro out and Dan and I are just gonna go surf this peak. Solly's keen to get out, aren't you, buddy? You keen? Thumbs up? Alright, let's do it. We're running around like crazy, I'm so excited. Alright, where's the wax? Nice enough. This is our little setup. Oh, a bit of shade. Just on the front seat. Oh, so much sand. Oh. What did you do to me? Look at this.
Alright, it's time to get pitted.
So much fun. So this one. Woo! Time to shoot. Drop the housing. You. I got my Lego on because I forgot my arm rope, so this will be interesting. Might be starting a new trend. Another day, we're off. It's perfect weather, perfect conditions, so Pretty excited. I think the swell might have dropped. We might have had a bit of a wind change too, so it might be more the longboard and doing some photography and stuff today, but we're all keen and it's just perfect out here, so we'll see what the day brings. Magic.
After another fun morning in the ocean, we decided to head for some lunch and a walk around the headland. It felt like everywhere we looked there was some form of wildlife relishing in the perfect conditions.
Dan's had a surf and I sent the drone on and got a couple of clips. Thought there was a big shark right next to him, but turns out it was a manta ray. But yeah, he got a couple fun ones and I'm gonna run out there now. Hope you enjoyed our first episode. If you did, please like and subscribe and we'll see you next time.